how to make Snapchat public profile. So public profile on Snapchat has already been set it as default. So this has already been added once you have successfully downloaded and installed the app. So first things first is open your Snapchat account and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to access and set up your public profile, just head straight into your profile menu located at the top left portion. Now just simply choose on public profile. And then for you to be able to set this up, just simply hit this arrow pointing down and choose on add public profile. So this is where you can set up your username, you can set a password, a profile display name, and then email address. You can also set it up which specific profile type that you're creating, if it's a professional creator or a business profile type. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can make a Snapchat public profile.